You start the oven already?
No.
Start the oven.
I am.
Start right now.
Okay, I'm doing my intro.
Okay.
Okay.
People be hungry.
Baby, you gonna have to start. Yeah, you gonna have to start doing this.
All right. Hey y'all. Season 2 is here, and I'm back. So what we have for you today, episode 1, is the Naan barbecue chicken pizza. Naan.
Sent to you by.
Yeah, no way.
So naan, the bread. This is what recommended by my sister. So we will be using this bread as the base of our pizza. It's actually supposed to be roasted rotisserie chicken, but I decided to do my own little I decided to do my own little twist and make my own chicken. So this is jerk barbecue chicken that will be the topping for the pizza, and it's delicious. So stay tuned to see how this pizza is made and if it's a flop or not. Alright guys, so instead of rotisserie chicken, I made jerk chicken. Gave it a little get a little more flavor. So we're gonna shred the chicken.
You made that again.
I made this. I seasoned it. And this will be the topping on the pizza. And guys, it tastes delicious. I have to help myself to not eat all the chicken. Can't wait for you guys to see what the pizza is gonna look like with my jerk chicken. Thank you. Mommy wants. So the first step, I have to preheat the oven. It's at 425 degrees right now. Now we're gonna place parchment paper over the baking pan, and it should be enough to cover the baking pan. So I'll add another sheet. We're gonna place 4 of the slices of naan bread onto the baking sheet and start placing our toppings. So I bought, I can only do 2 at a time on this sheet. This is the actual roasted garlic version of the naan bread. Okay, the first step is you'll drizzle half a teaspoon of oil onto your 2 slices of bread. The next step, we're gonna take half a tablespoon of barbecue sauce, and we're gonna start from the center of the pizza and spread it, leaving the corner, like the rim of the naan bread without barbecue sauce. So half a tablespoon. And I'll use the bottom of the spoon to spread it out. And I'm using my favorite barbecue sauce, which is Jack Daniels. It's my favorite. I put on chicken, everything. Alright. Yeah, just a little more. As well as the onion onto our bread. We're also gonna add onions. I'm not gonna do too much on one because my sister doesn't really like red onions so much. So maybe I'll do a half. 1 one half without. And now we're gonna add our chicken. This is gonna be so good. I'm telling y'all. Now we place it in the oven. See you in 20 minutes. Go, guys. Very happy that this recipe only took me about 30 minutes. So simple. I made 6 pizzas already in about 45 minutes. Very simple steps. Simple recipe, follow it. So I'll let you know, or I'll let my family tell you guys if it's a flop or not. Ooh, that is ready to go. And look at that one. Now, presenting to you the pizza. Okay, we're gonna add dice of tomatoes. I'm just cutting it up a little more. Putting some on top as our little toppings. And there you have it. And next is cilantro. Of season 2, episode 1, flop or not Pinterest recipe. This recipe that I have presented to you is from Yummm. So this is what they call the barbecue chicken naan pizza. Now it's a little flip to it that I did. I did not use rotisserie chicken. Instead, I cooked my own chicken, and it's jerk chicken. So guys, let me know how this recipe is. That's the only thing I changed. Yep, Zoe. That's the only thing I changed to this recipe, but I followed it to the T. So dig in. And then on 3, you know the rules. On 3 count, and then you guys try it, okay? All right, go ahead.
Okay.
Get your pizza.
Oh.
A whole thing?
A whole pizza. I remember the feedback that you... Daddy on 3. Jesus, you know the rules.
Oh, there is one for everyone.
Yes.
I would like mine cut into 8.
I upgraded. You guys ready? You want knives or anything?
No.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. On 3. 1, 2, 3. Maybe I should have sliced it.
The barbecue sauce better.
Yeah.
I like the cheddar cheese.
Mm-hmm.
A little sharpness on it.
So sharp cheddar and mozzarella cheddar. Barbecue sauce is the layer in replacement of like tomato sauce. You have the chicken, tomatoes, cilantro. That is it. Simple ingredients.
I like the crunchiness of it.
Pretty good. I ain't eating jerk chicken.
I mean, parsley on top. Parsley.
Cilantro.
You like it?
Okay. So I think you had enough bites. Was this a flop or not?
Nah.
No, not a flop. It's very good, very good.
Would you recommend this recipe from Yummm?
This is really good, Yummy.
So I need to start making my own pizza home instead of ordering
I think
pizza.
it's one of the fastest meals you cook. Thank God, because I was hungry.
Thanks, Zoe.
Delicious. How many different cheeses here?
2 different cheeses.
It's really good, Keisha. I'm enjoying it.
Awesome.
The more I
Okay,
bite, the better it gets.
great. Ooh.
crust is a little bit too crispy.
I love the crust.
For me.
I love crispy.
For
I
me.
love
Me
it.
too.
Yeah, it's crispy.
This is good.
Ken, you're quiet over there.
Because it's eating. But that's when you know it's
Very
good. I
good.
don't have time to talk to you. You're doing a lot.
Very good.
OMG, Junie, welcome to Flop or Not.
About time.
I'm like halfway through my pizza.
Wow.
I thought I needed more barbecue sauce, but I
You
don't.
don't. You really don't. Because everything's right underneath everything. It's just sitting there, nice and warm.
Mm-hmm.
And all the different
It's like the
flavoring
perfect
and pieces just
Everything
come
works.
together.
As a chicken lover, I like this one.
Okay.
Just a little more
A
chicken.
little bit more.
I like the barbecue sauce.
You know what, too?
Yeah.
It comes
You
through like
don't
at
taste
the
the
end.
pepper in the chicken.
Because it's jerk.
Exactly, you don't taste the pepper.
Okay.
It's not sure.
Very nice. It's good.
And I'm not a
Thanks.
big fan of
That's what I was
cilantro,
afraid of.
But you.
but with this,
Yeah.
it's working.
Mm-hmm.
Like it just makes it a little, I don't know, a little fresh flavor.
Yeah.
Ooh.
I like it.
Thank you guys. Okay.
It's really good.
It's a very good taste. It's very like sweet and savory. With the sweet taste of the
Yeah.
barbecue.
Ah.
Barbecue sauce.
And then you get the fresh cilantro with some juicy tomatoes and the fresh of the bread.
Everything's fresh.
It's a very
Yumly,
good-
you better
it's a good
follow what I
combination.
did. Add that jerk chicken, the jerk chicken.
Yeah, it's a very good combination of flavors here.
Thanks, sis. Recommend this recipe. All right, time for me to dig in and eat my pizza. Thank you guys.
Bye.
Really good.
Thumbs up.
Maybe you should have